Hey guys, welcome back to DelfStack. This is how to get back history of Chrome. So to do this, as you can see, if you want to go to the history of your Chrome, you just simply tap on your keyboard, Ctrl H, and now it will redirect you to the history. You should be able to see here the history of your Chrome. Now, if somehow you deleted your history, and you want to still get back into it, another method, you could just simply go to your Google profile at the top right corner of the screen. And now you could just simply go for manage your Google account. And now over here, you could just simply go ahead and go for data and privacy. Now over here, you could just simply go for web and app activity. And if we scroll down, we will have here multiple application. Of course, select Google search and you will have your search history as well over here on this tab. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.